big?
They little for baby.
Are they too big or too little?
Too little for me. They for me.
Too little for you.
Diamond mine.
Cameron's gonna wear your shoes.
I'm gonna wear your shoes. I think they'll fit.
No.
Why not?
See? They won't.
Oh, you're right. They won't fit.
Do they fit you?
Yes.
Do you like them?
Yes.
Do they make you run faster?
Yes. What I put in
What color are they?
White.
White.
And white.
Pink and white.
Cameron's gonna borrow them tomorrow. Is that okay?
I'm gonna go take them jogging tomorrow.
When you be a baby, I can pick you up.
Well.
I can be
Don't put all your eggs in that basket.
Can you fix my shoe
Yeah.
on?
Pull your pants up.
Is he putting them on you?
Yes.
Put your foot in
Is he
there.
doing a good job?
No, that's not the right shoe.
Is he doing a good job?
Yes.
Do you love him?
You gotta put the socks on before you put your shoes on. Hold that.